W23_Ms_42. 4 AI. M1 lead nitrate 1. M2 soluble chloride e.g. sodium chloride 1. 4 II. 4 III. M1 filter 1. M2 wash the residue using water 1. M3 dry the residue between filter papers in a warm place 1. 4 Bi. Mobile ions. 4 BII. M1 any negative Cl species losing electrons 1. M2 correct ionic half equation 1. 4 BIII. M1 damp litmus paper 1. M2 is bleached goes white 1. 2. 4 BIV. Shiny gray and solid. 0620_W23_Ms_43. 4 AI. Dilute sulfuric acid 1. 4 II. M1 solid remains solid undissolved 1. M2 bubbling effervescence fizzing stops 1. 2. 4 III. Aqueous zinc sulfate 1. 4 IV. Ne2. Zinc oxide, zinc carbonate, zinc hydroxide 2. 4 Bi. M1 a solution containing the maximum amount of solute dissolved no more solute can dissolve 1. M2 at a given temperature 1. 2. 4 BII. Solubility decreases as temperature decreases. 1. 4 CI. Hydrated. 1. 4 CII. To ensure all the water of crystallization is removed. 0620_S23_Ms_42. 1 AD1. 1 BC1. 1 CH1. 1 DB1. 1 EC1. 1 FG. 4 A proton acceptor 1. 4 B alkali 1. 4 C blue 1. 4 D M1 sodium chloride. M2 water. M3 ammonia. 3. 4 EI amphoteric oxides 1. 4 EII aluminium oxide. Or zinc oxide. 1. 4 FiM1 all single bonding dot and cross pairs correct. M2 double C equals O bond dot and cross pairs are correct. M3 complete diagram is correct. 3. 4 FiI3 is less than or equal to pH less than 7. 4 FiII. 4 FiV. 4 G. 0620_W22_Ms_43. 5 AI. M1 451. M2 121. M3 vanadium V oxide 1. 5 II. 5 III. Water 1. 5 B. Carbon 5 CI. 5 CII. 40. 5 DI. Lilac flame 5 DII. Ne2 from solid disappears. Blue solution. Bubbles effervescence fizzing. 2. 5 DIII. White precipitate. 5 E. 0620_S22_Ms_42. 2 AI. 2 II calcium oxide 1. 2 Bi 7 less than pH less than slanted equal 12 1. 2 BiIOH 1. 2 Ci carbon dioxide 1. 2 CII a solution that can dissolve no more solute. At a given temperature, 2 CII add excess solid calcium hydroxide to water. Filter 2. 2 CIV aqueous sodium hydroxide 1. White PPT, insoluble remains in excess. 2. 2 DI burette 1. 2 DII neutralization 1. 2 DII indicator. 0620_W21_Ms_42. 2 AI strong. 2 II pink red. 2 BII M1 125. M2 2.5 125 equals 0.0200. M3 0.0200 times 2 equals 0.0400. M4 0.0400 times 1020 equals 2.00. 0620_W21_Ms_43. 5 AI too many color changes 1. 5 II any acid base indicator, e.g. methyl orange or phenolphthalein 1. 5b. M1 repeat without indicator using same volumes or remove indicator by adding charcoal or carbon and filtering 1. M2 evaporate heat warm. Boil leave in hot place 1. M3 until most of the water is gone, some water left. Saturation point. Crystallization point. Evaporate some of the water 1. M4 cool. Leave to crystallize 1. M5 description of drying 1. 5. 5CI yellow flame 1. 5CII M1 solid dissolves disappears 1. M2 blue solution 1. 2. 5CII white precipitate. 0620_S21_Ms_41. 5. Add water to both salts 1. Dissolve both salts, make solutions 1. Filter lead to iodide 1. Wash residue of lead to iodide with water and dry, e.g. with filter paper. Description of washing and drying 1. 5BI glowing splint 1. Relights rekindles 1. 5BII2 xenos and 4NO2 G1. 12H2O G1. 2. 5CI heat again and weigh again. Repeat steps 2 and 3 1. Until mass is constant 1. 2. 5CII 0.0051. 0.91. 0.9 divided by 18 smiley face 0.051. 0.05 divided by 0.005 smiley face 10 1. 0620_S21_Ms_43. 5. Add zinc carbonate to sulfuric acid until it stops dissolving. OR. No more effervescence 1. Filter zinc carbonate 1. Evaporation of filtrate to form dry crystals 1. 5BI acidified aqueous. Potassium manganate 7 1. Purple to colorless 1. 5CI heat plus weigh plus repeat 1. Until mass is constant 1. 2. 5CII M1 0.021. M2 0.721. M3 M2 divided by 18 equals 0. 72/18 equals 0.041. M4 M3 divided by M1 equals 0.04 divided by 0.02 equals 2 1. 0620_W20_Ms_42. 2BI to make sure all that sulfuric acid reacts. 2BIII rinse the residue with distilled water 1. 2BIV a solution that can dissolve no more solute 1. At the specified temperature 1. 2. 2BV iron 2 oxide iron 2 hydroxide. 2DI precipitation 1. 2DII cream precipitate. 2FI ions 1. Ions are fixed in a lattice 1. Ions are mobile 1. 3. 2FII chlorine 1. 2FII oxidation 1. Electrons are lost 1. 2. 2FIV dissolve it in water. 0620_S20_Ms_41. 4. Damp litmus 1. Turns blue 1. 4BI proton acceptor 1. 4BII above pH 7 up to 11. 4BII blue precipitate 1. Precipitate dissolves 1. Deep blue solution remains 1. 4CI neutralization. 4DI methyl orange. 0620_W19_Ms_41. 4AI cobalt carbonate 1. 4AI lead iodide. 4D nitric acid reacts with removes carbonate ions. 0620_M21_Ms_42. 4B to make sure all the hydrochloric acid reacts 1. 4C filtration 1. 4D a solution that can dissolve no more solute 1. At a given temperature 1. 2. 4E solubility of ZnCl2 solids decreases as temperature decreases 1. 4F zinc oxide. Zinc carbonate. 2. 4GCa will also react with water 1. 4HI neutralization. 4HII 0.100 times 25/1000 equals 0.002501. 0.0025 times 2 equals 0.005001. 0.005 times 1020 equals 0.2501. Mr equals 41. 0.25 times 40 equals 10. 0 1 0620 underscore S19 underscore Ms underscore 41. 4D to remove the acid, make sure all the acid is used up, no acid is left over. 1. 4D to make sure all the filtrate MgCl2 salt goes through, no MgCl2 left behind. 1. 4D evaporation. Mark 1. The starting of crystallization. Mark 1. Drying the crystals. Mark 1. 3. 4E solid. 1. Which forms when two solutions are mixed, reacted, added. 1.